If you don't like receiving too many emails from Temu that continuously spamming your email, no worries because I'll teach you how to solve this problem. First, open your Gmail and open any promotional or marketing email from Temu. So I have here. This is the easiest way to find the unsubscribe link. Now scroll down to the bottom of the email. Companies usually place their unsubscribe option in the footer. Select unsubscribe and click unsubscribe. And Temu will stop sending you an email. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.